Amla, also known as Indian gooseberry, is a humble fruit packed with extraordinary benefits. Amla juice is a nutritional powerhouse, boasting an impressive list of properties. It's rich in vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that strengthens the immune system and fights off harmful free radicals. But that's not all. Amla juice is also a great source of iron, calcium, and fiber, making it a well-rounded supplement for overall health. This tangy, refreshing juice is also known for its anti-inflammatory properties. It helps reduce swelling and pain, providing relief in conditions like arthritis. It's a natural detoxifier that aids in flushing out toxins from the body, promoting a healthy liver. Amla juice is also a boon for heart health. It aids in reducing cholesterol levels, thereby minimizing the risk of heart disease. It also helps control blood sugar levels, making it an excellent natural remedy for diabetes. The benefits of amla juice extend to the skin and hair as well. It's renowned for its ability to enhance skin glow and fight off signs of aging, thanks to its high antioxidant content. As for the hair, amla juice promotes growth, reduces hair fall, and even battles premature graying. In summary, amla juice is a versatile health drink. Its properties range from being a rich source of vitamin C to having anti-inflammatory and detoxifying effects. It's beneficial for the heart, skin, hair, and overall well-being. However, like with all good things, moderation is key. Drinking amla juice in excess can lead to certain side effects, such as diarrhea or an upset stomach. Hence, it's always wise to consume it in the right quantities,